Hello, good people. This is Sherry from Sharika Originals. Tandy Leather sent me this Stingray material, and I am going to now make my first pair of earrings with it. I've been looking at this Stingray material every time I go into Tandy. It is quite expensive. So I am just so happy that they have gifted me with 4 pieces of it. All right, let's get to it. Hey, I'm back here in Tandy Leather, and I'm looking at this Stingray again. It's still $49.99. I haven't got my nerve up to buy it yet, but it is beautiful. Well, I'm gonna do it. I decided what I was gonna do. I'm going to make a pair of earrings, a pair of these feather earrings. So I'm going to cut a big enough. Let's see, this is going to be the smaller piece, the middle piece. Okay, so cut that piece. So, here. That. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So now this is some glitterific glitter paint. So I think I'm gonna put this on the back. I've had it so long it's really thick, but I'm gonna try it because I think it will look good on the back of this large feather. this is the, I'm just gonna try, ooh, oh, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. You see it? It's gonna go straight down back. I'm not gonna worry about the little feathery parts. So, oh, I like this. I might use this again on something. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. Ooh, ooh, sticking to my hands. Ooh. Is that pretty or what? Let's see how pretty it is. I hope it looks as pretty on camera as it does in person. Okay. You see it? I appreciate you watching my videos, and if you're new here, we have a Tuesday live subscriber chat at 6 p.m. Eastern, so you are invited to join. If you liked this video, we have lots more, about 700 videos now. So if you subscribe, you'll have access to all of those videos. Turn on the bell to be notified when I upload. I upload at least twice a week, and many times, several more times a week. You know the drill. If you like this video, please like, leave me a comment, thumbs up. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.